Welcome to SimNet PowerPoint Chapter 3. Today we're going to tackle Guided Project 3-1. Skills covered in this project: apply a background picture fill, apply animation and effect options, create and print note pages, rehearse a presentation, and save timings. Use presenter view, use slideshow navigation tools, keyboard, shortcuts, and insert blank slides. Be sure to download the resource files needed for this project from the resource link, and make sure to extract the files after downloading the zip folder. Go ahead and click the Enable Editing button and save your project. Number 3, apply a background picture fill with a softened effect to all slide. Display slide 1. Point to the right or point to the slide background and right-click to open the context menu. Click Format Background to open the Format Background pane. Select the Picture or Text Fill option. Click the File button to open the Insert Pictures dialog box. Locate the folder you downloaded from the resources link and select Building-03 Picture and click the Insert button. Click the Picture button at the top of the pane and then click Picture Color. Click the Recolor drop-down list and select Blue, Accent Color 2, Dark. Click Apply to All so this picture is used as the background for all slides. Number 4, restore the background picture to its original color on 2 slides. Display slide 1, and on the Format Background pane, under Picture Color, click the Reset button, display slide 2, and click the Reset button again. Number 5, prepare a black slide so the speaker can talk for a few moments with no slide displayed. Display slide 6. On the Format Background pane, click Fill at the top of the pane if it is not selected. Select the Solid Fill option. Click the Color drop-down arrow and select Black Background 1. Close the Format Background pane. Number 6, apply a transition to all slides. Click the Transitions tab and apply the Shape Transition. Click the Effect Options button and select Diamond. Click Apply to All. Number 7, follow these instructions to apply to each setting. Select the text or object to be animated. Click the More button on the gallery or click the Animation button if the animation gallery is not displayed. Click an animation effect to apply it. Click the Effects Options button to apply direction, sequence, or amount settings. Some settings will appear by default. Adjust settings for start and duration as needed. Click the Preview button or Slide button to test the animation. Slide 1, Object, text box for the agenda on the right. Select that. Animation effects, wipe in the entrance group. Effect options, from bottom, by paragraph, on click, 0.50 seconds. Slide 3, object is picture, animation effect is shape in the entrance group, effect options, out, diamond, start, after previous, 2.00 seconds. Slide 7, object, text box about space design, animation effect, zoom in the entrance group, effect options, object center, as one object, start, on click, 0.50 seconds. Slide 7, object, text box about wireless access, animation effect, zoom in the entrance group, effect options, object center, as one object, start, on click, 0.5 seconds. Slide 8, object, text box with donor names, animation effect, wipe, entrance group, effect options, from bottom, all at once. Start, after previous, 1.00 seconds. Number 8, use slideshow view to practice use of the navigation tools, keyboard shortcuts, and blinking slides. Display slide 1 and click the slideshow button in the status bar. Click the next button in the control bar to advance slides. Select the presenter view in the control bar to see the slide thumbnails. Click a thumbnail to jump to a specific slide. Right-click anywhere on the slide to choose Zoom. Right-click out to regular slide size to zoom out to regular slide size. Note, Mac 2016 users skip this step and continue to step 8E. Press N to advance through animation or to go to the next slide. Press P to go to the previous slide. Type 5 and press Enter to go to slide 5. Press B to go to blank a slide. Press B to view the slide again. Press Escape to exit slideshow view. Number 9. Prepare speaker notes on 2 slides. Select slide 1 and click the Notes page button. View tab, Presentation Views, Notes page. Click the Zoom button on the Notes page and increase the percent to 150%. Click OK. Add the following text with the blank line between each item. Note, hold down the Alt key and type 0151 To insert an M dash. Slide 1, type welcome the audience. Review today's agenda. Alt 0151. Go through animation. Slide 5. Type fostered business innovation and involvement. Developed the Business Development Institute. Expanded internship opportunities. Click the Normal button located in the View tab, Presentation Views group, to return to normal view. Print notes pages for slides 4 and 5. Click the File menu and select Print. Select the appropriate printer and make sure that you are printing just one copy. For slides, type 4 to 5, custom range. For print layout, choose Notes page and check to scale to fit paper. Return to the presentation. Number 11, rehearse and save timings. Click the Rehearse Timings button located in the Slide Show tab, Setup group, to open the recording dialog box and start timing. Click the Next Slide button to advance each slide in animation effect after approximately 3 to 5 seconds. And this is your recording box that shows you the seconds. When you are done, click at the end of your presentation to save your timings. The timings are displayed below each slide in Slide Sorter view. Number 12. Use Presenter View to review your presentation. Click the Slide Show tab. Deselect Use Timings. Click Use Presenter View. Note, Mac 2016 users skip this step and continue to step 12D. Click the Play from Start button. Start, and that's located in the Start Slideshow group, and the button actually says From Beginning. If you have one monitor, right-click and select Show Presenter View. Click the Advance to Next Slide button to review your slides. Click the Zoom into the slide button to magnify a section of the slide. Click Zoom Out to return to the normal slide size. Note, 2016 Mac users skip this step and continue to step 12H. To see all the slides, click the See All Slides button to view the thumbnails of all slides. Click to display different slides. press exit to exit presenter view. Escape. Save and close the presentation. Number 13. Important when you're finished with this project, your presentation should contain 9 slides. If it does not, your project will not grade properly, and you may lose a significant number of points. Upload your project, and while we're waiting, I have noticed that number 7 is coming up wrong. So if that is the case, and it is here, it is 7C, you need to let me know. I have already notified SEMNet, but if some of you that are working ahead run into this problem and the problem is not fixed by SEMNet, please let me know immediately, and I would be more than happy to make that correction.